Which French leader declared himself emperor in the 19th century? Napoleon Bonaparte. Which treaty formed the European Union? Maastricht Treaty. In which country did the Industrial Revolution begin? United Kingdom. Which European city is famous for the Louvre Museum? Paris. What famous wall was torn down in 1989? Berlin Wall. Which volcano destroyed Pompeii in AD 79? Mount Vesuvius. What famous canal connects the North Sea to the Baltic Sea? Kiel Canal. Who is the famous Spanish artist known for Cubism? Picasso. Which European country was ruled by Tsars? Russia. The Eurostar train travels under which body of water? English Channel.